to make sure that there's water in the back here and that there are beans in the grinder. You can make a double shot or a single shot. I normally do double shot because that's what's in a standard cup of coffee. You're going to select the larger basket and snap it into the portafilter right here. If you want a single shot, it's the smaller basket. You're going to put the portafilter into this little section and then select if you're doing a single or a double shot by hitting this filter size button. I'm doing a double and that's highlighted. In order to get the coffee to grind, you just press the portafilter forwards. Just press it once and it's automatically set to dispense the amount that is appropriate for a single or a double cup. You're going to pull it out. Take this little tool right here that is magnetic. You're going to press your coffee grinds and turn. And then you're going to lock it into this section here. And then you're going to select either the single or the double depending on what size basket you did. And I'm doing a double. As it's going, you'll see this needle rise, and it should be within the espresso range section. You won't ever need to touch the grind amount knob or the grind size knob on the side. Those are calculated and set ahead of time, so please don't mess with those. All right. We're gonna set the espresso aside. Next, we're gonna steam the milk. You only need about 1.5 inches or so of milk in this cup. Often people put way too much, not realizing that when you steam the milk, it actually grows in size. So only do about 1.5 inches. You're gonna turn. You want to place the steamer towards the center, turn it on to the left for it to steam, and let it prime and get going for a couple seconds so that the water goes out of the wand and not into your milk. And so go ahead and let it steam for a few seconds before you place it in the milk. Sometimes it takes a couple seconds longer for it to get going. Other times it's pretty quick. I'm not sure why the difference, but just give it a few seconds. Once it's a steady steam like it is right now, you can go ahead and place it in the milk. Be careful because it's hot. You want to tilt the milk cup just at the right angle for the milk to start spinning in a circle. You want to avoid it bubbling too much so that you don't get too much air in the milk. If you can get it to spin and just kind of keep it there, the milk will start to grow slowly and turn out really thick and creamy. You can pull back just a little bit sometimes to let just a little bit of air in, but again, not too much. You'll quickly see if you put too much milk in the milk cup because it will start overflowing since you have to hold it at an angle. All right, and then you're going to turn the steamer off. Pull the milk out. There is the latte. The last couple of steps are just cleaning, so please rinse everything off. Turn the wand to get this out, and then I tap this into the garbage can. Please don't put it down the disposal. And then you're gonna snap the basket out. Be careful, it's kind of hot, and rinse out both pieces. And then the last step is to clean off the wand. I just take a wet paper towel and rinse off the wand here. And the very last step is to go ahead and hit the single cup button and let water run through here just to rinse out the coffee that's left behind. And then turn it off. That's it. Enjoy.